Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1, and our today's topic is identification the letters of Tashdeed. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 11 and SW number 11. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will identify the letters of Tashdeed. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 8 Arabic words. Today we will identify the letter of Tashdeed. So my dear students, let's start. Number 1, my dear students, our Arabic word is qaddamat. Qaddamat. My dear students, here is the Tashdeed taken haraf is, we know that, dal. Now at first I am identified. Then now we'll write. Here is the Tashdeed taken haraf is dal. Now I am writing dal and Tashdeed. Then number 2, my dear students, our Arabic word is kadhabat. Kadhabat. My dear students, here is zal has taken Tashdeed. Here is the zal is Tashdeed taken haraf. Identify first. Then I'm writing zal and Tashdeed. Now my dear students, number 3, our Arabic word is fujirat. 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 At first, I identify the Tashdeed taken haraf jim. Now I'm writing jim and Tashdeed. My dear students, our 4 number Arabic word is suyirat. 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 My dear students, in this word, ya has taken Tashdeed. At first, we will identify the Tashdeed taken haraf. Here is ya has taken Tashdeed. Now I am writing ya and Tashdeed. Now, my dear students, number 5. Our 5 number Arabic word is Robbihim. Robbihim. My dear students, here ba has taken Tashdeed. Now I am writing ba and Tashdeed. Ba and Tashdeed. Now my dear students, our 6 number Arabic word is quwwata. Quwwata. Here waw has taken Tashdeed. Waw has taken Tashdeed. Now I am writing waw and Tashdeed. Now my dear students, 7 number Arabic word is saddaqa. Saddaqa. Here dal has taken Tashdeed. Now I am writing dal and Tashdeed. Now my dear students, our 8 number and last number Arabic word is allama. Allama. Here lam has taken Tashdeed. Now I am writing lam and Tashdeed. Lam and Tashdeed. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we will identify the Tashdeed taken haraf. My dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear students, you will practice more and more at your home, and you will make SW at your home as SW number 11 from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 5. And my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.